Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back once again for another video. My name is Izhan and I vlog about my family, my life and my travels. So today I'm going to a motorsport event. I'm not really sure if it's a motorbike sport event or a race car event, but I'm sure it's some kind of a racing event. Yeah. Asia G Festival, the China GT Championship, and there are cars printed on this ticket, so I'm assuming it's a car racing event and it will be held in Sepang. So I got 2 free tickets from my sister-in-law, and yeah, I don't think I have anyone to go with. My wife can't go because she's taking care of Ryan, and Ryan is down with a fever at home. My sister-in-law bawa Iris and Elisa keluar pergi Sungai Wang jalan-jalan, and she gave me these tickets, these 2 tickets last minute, so I don't really have a friend to go with, so I'm going alone. Though I have 2 tickets here with me right now, and it's for Saturday or Sunday, so it's today and tomorrow. But I don't think I'm going tomorrow, so I'm gonna give one away somehow. Yeah, I'm gonna post it on Facebook, or you know, make a few phone calls for that. You know, racing events is not really my cup of tea, but it's free, so I'm going. I've never been to a racing event before, so can't wait. Aku baru lepas hantar my sister-in-law and my daughters to the MRT station in Sungai Buloh. Now I'm gonna make my way to Sepang. We're here. I'm here. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but I could hear race cars roaring. Can you hear that? No, I don't think so, but I can hear it. Also, it's my first time here. I don't think I've ever been here before, except that one time going to a rave party. Wait, I'm not gonna talk about that now. Hello, F1 circuit or Sepang circuit. I don't know which one is the correct name for it. Okay, so that's a long walk. God, look at this. Wow. What the hell is that? Oh my God. I don't know anything about cars, but I'm pretty sure this is badass.
purple lights. I don't know why, but I love purple lights. There's a celebrity bazaar around here. The funny thing is, I do not recognize any celebrity here at all. I've been walking so damn long, I still haven't reached the racing circuit. It's over there. So far. Look at that. My kids would have loved that. Okay, so that's one area. I wonder what the hell is over there. It's like the same thing. I wonder what's upstairs. Okay, so the round is finished, but there's more to come. I think I'm gonna try to get some lunch. I haven't had lunch and it's already like 3 p.m. So yeah, I hope they have something to eat around here. Now we're talking.
Getting as much power as they can, but they 24-degree back temperature. I don't think they're getting their 200 power. But seeing an increase of 55 degrees, outside, Desmond's coming inside. Take away from Destiny.
Look at this, look at this. The front seat is way over there. Okay, so the race is over. I'm gonna go home now. It's like 5:30 or 6, I think. Okay, so the whole thing is awesome. The event, all the races, damn awesome. Definitely an interesting experience for me. I've never been to one of these kinds of events. It's noisy, the sound of roaring engines and wow, the adrenaline. Oh, I forgot, I gotta make that long walk to the car again. Rock climbing as well. Wait, now why wasn't that section open to the public? Okay, so it is now 6 p.m. and it will take approximately 1 hour to get home. So yeah, it's a long drive. Goodbye, Sepang International Circuit. Okay guys, so the event is over. The event was awesome. I had a really great time. But I'm gonna have to end the vlog right here. Thanks for watching guys. New videos every week. Until we meet again in the next one. Live it, vlog it. The movement is real. Peace.